I'm the proud superintendent of Gregory-Portland ISD, and right now I'm outside our Operations and Family Resource Center, one of the many projects made possible through Bond 2023. We proudly celebrated its ribbon cutting on March 4th, 2026, and it now serves as a central hub supporting our students, staff, families, and community. We have a lot of projects happening across our district, and we want to keep you informed every step of the way. Now, two of our outstanding student leaders will share more about the progress taking place around our district.
Hi Wildcats, I'm McKinley Morrell, 4th grader at W.C. Andrews Elementary. There is a lot of exciting progress happening across our district thanks to Bond 2023. At our elementary schools, Stephen F. Austin, W.C. Andrews, and East Cliff Elementary, our new indoor and outdoor immersive learning spaces are now complete and ready for students to learn, play, and explore. The new T.M. Clark Elementary campus, opening in fall 2026, is already 85% complete and will be an amazing place for students to learn and grow. And at Gregory-Portland High School, exciting updates are happening too. The new cafeteria is 97% complete and is expected to be finished by May 2026, giving students more space to eat and gather. Fine art spaces include choir, theater, and the new high school band hall are about 85% complete and would be ready by August 2026. It's exciting to see all of this coming together. Now I'm passing my Wildcat hat to Kali'i at GP High School.
Thanks, McKinley. Hi Wildcats, I'm Kali'i Leomiti, 12th grader at GP High School. Bond 2025 is already bringing more improvements to our campuses. Phase 2 renovations are underway at Gregory-Portland High School, including upgrades to locker rooms, indoor sports, spaces for basketball, volleyball, and cheer, as well as a new weight room. These projects are about 25% complete and are expected to be finished by December 2026. Classroom and common area renovations will begin on May 25th, creating more flexible, collaborative learning spaces for students, with completion expected by December 2026. Traffic flow and campus access are also improving, with a new back drive and additional front parking currently about 10% complete and expected to be ready by August 2026. A new addition coming soon is the Ray Aiken South End parking lot to help improve parking capacity, traffic circulation, safety, and accessibility. It is 35% complete and is set to be ready by August 2026. Across the district, we're also investing in playground replacements with updated equipment. Construction is just kicking off at East Cliff Elementary and is set to be ready by August 2026. W.C. Andrews and Stephen F. Austin Elementary School are currently under review for playground upgrades and equipment replacements. Bond 2025 also includes important investments in new school buses, activity buses, maintenance vehicles, and school resource officer vehicles to support student transportation, daily operations, and campus safety. Looking ahead, planning is underway for a future visual and performing arts center, expanding opportunities in fine arts and career pathways, with construction anticipated to begin in summer 2027. It's exciting to see how these improvements are helping shape the future for all of us at GP ISD.
We're proud to share the progress taking shape across Gregory-Portland ISD. On behalf of our Board of Trustees and the entire Gregory-Portland ISD team, thank you for your continued trust and investment in Bond 2023 and Bond 2025. Together, we're creating modern learning environments, strengthening our operations, and supporting the future of every Wildcat. It's a great time to be a Wildcat.